Kids, do you like your food spicy or do you like it bland? You must be knowing about the names of spices in English like mustard, clove, chili. Let's learn the names of spices in Hindi.
Hing,
Asafoetida,
Kala cardamom,
bay leaves,
Shahi jeera,
black cumin,
Kali mirch,
black peppercorns,
Dalchini,
cinnamon,
Lavang,
cloves,
Dhania,
coriander,
Jeera,
cumin,
Kadi patta,
curry leaves,
Sukha nariyal, Khopra,
dry coconut,
Saunt,
dry ginger,
Amchur, Khatai,
dry mango powder,
Sukhi lal mirch,
dry red chili,
Saunf,
fennel or aniseed,
Methi dana,
fenugreek,
Hari, Choti ilaichi,
green cardamom,
Shahad,
honey,
Javitri,
mace,
Gud,
molasses,
Rai,
mustard,
Jaipal,
nutmeg,
Kalonji,
nigella or onion seed,
Ajwan,
oregano,
Anardana,
pomegranate seeds,
Khaskhas,
poppy seeds,
Kala namak,
rock or black salt,
Kesar,
saffron,
Til,
sesame seeds,
Imli,
tamarind,
Haldi,
turmeric,
Pili sarson,
yellow mustard,